Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the aspiring florists out there. In this video, we'll be exploring the beautiful world of flower arrangement and sharing some essential tips to help you get started on your floral journey. So, let's dive in. Before we begin arranging flowers, let's talk about the basics. Flower arrangement is an art that combines creativity, aesthetics, and a touch of magic. Whether you're preparing a bouquet, centerpiece, or floral display, these fundamental principles apply. First things first, you'll need the right tools to create stunning arrangements. Here are some essentials every florist should have. These sharp shears help you cut stems cleanly and efficiently. Great for securing flowers in place and providing water. Perfect for creating sturdy structures and wiring delicate blooms. Choose a variety of sizes and shapes to complement different arrangements. Floral preservative helps extend the vase life of your flowers. Now, let's talk about selecting and preparing your flowers. Always choose fresh blooms that are free from any signs of wilting or damage. Here's how to prepare them for arranging. Remove any leaves that will be submerged in water to prevent bacterial growth. Cut stems at an angle. Use your pruning shears to cut the stems at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water absorption. Place your flowers in water immediately after cutting to keep them fresh and hydrated. Now, let's get creative. Here are some basic flower arrangement techniques to get you started. Create a triangle with your focal flowers, using larger blooms in the center and gradually smaller ones towards the edges. Start with your focal flowers, then add secondary flowers and finally, fillers to add depth and texture to your arrangement. Vary the stem lengths to add visual interest and create a more dynamic arrangement. To make your flower arrangement truly stand out, consider adding these finishing touches. Greenery, add some foliage to create a lush backdrop for your flowers. Accent flowers, incorporate a few standout blooms to add pops of color and contrast. Ribbons or wrapping, wrap your bouquet with a beautiful ribbon to complete the look. And there you have it, a basic flower arrangement to kickstart your journey as a florist. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different flowers and styles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more floral inspiration and helpful tips. Happy arranging, everyone!